What if I told you your to-do list could finish itself? Studies suggest that by 2025, over 50% of businesses will rely on AI to streamline their operations. That's not just a trend, that's a revolution. And this is happening right now. Thanks to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and automation, the tools that once lived in science fiction are becoming part of everyday life. Whether you're a business owner drowning in admin work, a freelancer juggling client demands, or just someone trying to squeeze 25 hours out of a 24-hour day, this video is going to change the way you think about productivity. AI automation is booming. In fact, the term AI automation racks up over 500,000 searches every month, and for good reason. So let's get into it. Today, we are going to walk through 5 groundbreaking AI tools that are redefining what's possible. These tools don't just save time, they transform the way we work. And stick around until the end, because the 5th one, it's a total game changer. Let's start with a powerhouse. Zapier AI. Zapier is one of those tools that genuinely feels like magic the first time you use it. It's been quietly powering the digital backend of businesses for years, connecting over 5,000 plus apps to automate repetitive tasks that normally eat up your time. Got a new lead from your Facebook ads? Zapier can instantly add them to your CRM, send you a Slack message, and drop their info into a Google Sheet before you even notice. Got a customer order on Shopify? Zapier can alert your fulfillment team, update your inventory, and trigger a thank you email, all without you touching a keyboard. It's like duct tape for your digital life, but smarter. And now with Zapier AI, it's gone from being just a smart assistant to a full-blown automation architect. Instead of building workflows by manually choosing triggers and actions, you can now simply tell Zapier what you want in plain language. Say something like, whenever someone fills out my type form, add them to MailChimp, tag them as a lead, and send a personalized welcome email. Zapier's AI understands that command and instantly builds the workflow. No need to fumble through menus or logic branches. This is a huge leap. Because now, even if you're not tech-savvy, you can design highly customized multi-step automations that work across platforms. It's like having an IT department in your pocket. Let's say you run an online business. With Zapier AI, you could create a flow where every time a customer makes a purchase, an invoice is generated and stored in Google Drive, a thank you email is sent from Gmail, your inventory and Airtable is updated, your accountant is notified via Slack, and the customer is tagged in your CRM for future upselling. All of that happens automatically, in seconds. But here's the best part. Zapier AI doesn't just automate one-off tasks. It can build entire systems that talk to each other and adapt as your business evolves. You can create conditional logic, filter responses, delay actions, and even integrate AI-generated content into the flow. For example, you could use ChatGPT within a Zap to write a personalized follow-up email based on the customer's previous purchases. It's not just about doing things faster, it's about doing things smarter. This is a dream come true for busy entrepreneurs, coaches, consultants, digital marketers, and content creators. And more importantly, it gives you mental bandwidth. You stop spending energy managing the chaos and start focusing on vision, growth, and creative thinking. You stop being a task juggler and start being a CEO again. In a world where time is currency, tools like Zapier AI don't just save money, they make money. And honestly, that's the kind of superpower we all need right now. Next up, let's talk about the genius of OpenAI's Code Interpreter. Now, let's pivot from automation to data, the silent beast of modern life. Spreadsheets, analytics, reports. They're essential, but they eat up hours. That's where OpenAI's Code Interpreter, also known as Advanced Data Analysis, steps in and completely changes the game. This tool is like having a personal data scientist on call, 24/7. You feed it raw data, CSV files, Excel sheets, and even chunks of messy numbers, and it transforms that chaos into clear insights. Want a trend analysis? You got it. Need a Python script to visualize growth over time? Done. Curious how your sales this quarter compared to the last 2 years? It'll tell you in seconds with graphs. But here's the real kicker. You don't need to be a data nerd to use it. You just ask questions in plain English, and the AI responds like a helpful colleague. The barrier to entry is gone. Small businesses, solopreneurs, and even high school students can now harness the kind of analytical power that once required a full tech team. Finance professionals can automate reporting. Researchers can dig into large data sets with ease. Marketers can extract key performance metrics without ever touching a pivot table. This isn't just a time saver, it's an equalizer, and it's only getting better. Coming up next is Runway AI, which is redefining video creation. All right, creatives, this one's for you. If you've ever tried to edit a video, you know it's an absolute time sink. Trimming, color correcting, adding effects. It's not just tedious, it's technical. But Runway AI is flipping the script. This tool uses machine learning to automate some of the most time-consuming parts of the video editing process. Background removal, motion tracking, style transfer, color grading. It can do it all in a matter of seconds. You upload your footage, click a few buttons, and boom, it's polished and ready to publish. But Runway doesn't stop there. One of its most jaw-dropping features is text-to-video generation. You literally type a sentence describing a scene, say, a city skyline at sunset with flying cars, and the AI generates video content to match. It's like writing a screenplay and having a director bring it to life instantly. This is a game changer for YouTubers, content creators, advertisers, and educators. You no longer need a studio setup or editing experience to produce high-quality videos. You just need an idea, and Runway handles the rest. That's powerful. That's creative freedom on a whole new level. Moving ahead, we will talk about ElevenLabs AI, which is the voice you've been missing. You know how some voices just hook you? That's what ElevenLabs is all about. This tool brings professional voiceover production into the hands of everyone. Whether you're making videos, audiobooks, podcasts, or multilingual content, this is your secret weapon. With ElevenLabs, you can clone voices so accurately that even the original speaker might get confused. You can adjust tone, pacing, emotion, and the results are shockingly lifelike. What used to require voice actors, recording booths, and hours of editing can now be done in a few clicks. Let's say you're making a video in English, but you want to repurpose it for your Spanish-speaking audience. Just clone your voice and let ElevenLabs generate the Spanish version for real. It's still your voice, your tone, your style, just in another language. And this isn't limited to content creators. Businesses are using this for training modules, explainer videos, and customer support. Podcasters are using it to add AI-generated guests. Teachers are using it to create learning resources in different dialects. We're at the edge of something big here. This isn't just automation, it's personalization at scale. Last but not least comes the final boss, ChatGPT with Custom GPTs. If you've stuck with me so far, you're probably thinking, okay, this is already incredible. What could possibly top that? Let us introduce you to the most versatile AI tool of them all, ChatGPT, powered by Custom GPTs. You already know ChatGPT can write emails, brainstorm ideas, draft social media captions, and even code simple apps. But when you build a custom GPT, it becomes your AI. You train it with specific data, goals, tone of voice, and even industry knowledge. You're not just talking to a chatbot, you're building a virtual teammate. Imagine a real estate agent who creates a GPT that understands all their listings, legal terms, and client preferences. Now, the AI can draft listing descriptions, answer buyer FAQs, and help prepare contracts all day, every day. Or a freelance writer who trains their GPT with writing samples and project briefs. Now they have a writing assistant who understands their tone, formatting, and workflow. They can double their output without doubling their hours. Even developers are building GPTs to generate code snippets, write documentation, and debug issues. It's like a coder's co-pilot, ready to jump in when needed. This tool doesn't just automate, it amplifies. And the best part? You don't need to be a developer to set one up. With the latest GPT builder tools, you can create a custom GPT in under 30 minutes with no coding experience at all. So, what does this mean for you? We are living through the AI automation revolution. It's not coming someday. It's here. The way we work, create, communicate, and grow is being reshaped right now. The tools we just explored, Zapier AI, OpenAI Code Interpreter, Runway AI, ElevenLabs, and ChatGPT with Custom GPTs, aren't just nice to have. They're essential for staying ahead in a world that's moving faster than ever. And they're not just for tech pros or Silicon Valley startups. They're for freelancers, side hustlers, marketers, teachers, students, CEOs, and everyday people who want to do more with less stress. These tools can save you hours. They can boost your productivity. They can unlock your creativity. And yes, they can even help you make more money by freeing up time for the work that actually matters. So, which of these tools are you excited to try? Are you already using AI in your workflow? What's the one task you wish you could automate today? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And who knows, your question might just inspire the next video. If this breakdown helped you, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into AI tools and productivity hacks, and share this with a friend who's still stuck in manual mode. Let's bring them into the future too.